Hey guys, the Apple Watch Series 6 was just released on September 18, 2020, and we have several new updates and features. I ordered a cellular 44mm blue aluminum version with the Graphite Milanese loop right after the Apple event, and originally it showed a delivery time frame from the 25th to the 29th, but it actually ended up delivering today. So I'm really excited to unbox it and compare it to my Series 4. I'm upgrading from that version and I'm trading that one into Apple for credit. But before I ship the Series 4, I will be doing a detailed comparison between the Series 4, Series 5, and this new Series 6. So be sure to hit the subscribe button to watch out for that video. So, let's get to unboxing. So the box is slimmer this time around because you'll see there is no USB power adapter in the box. It would be great if Apple could pass those small savings on to the consumer, but, you know, Apple says not putting in the USB power adapter in these boxes is the equivalent to eliminating 50,000 cars on the road per year. What do you think about Apple removing the USB power adapters from the box? Let me know in the comments below. So the watch itself is housed in a blue construction paper material. I do remember my old Series 4 having a soft Alcantara-like case, so this is probably another way Apple is making their packaging easier to recycle. Look at this new blue color though. I'm really liking the color of this watch. It's a subtle blue where in low light it could be mistaken for kind of like a dark gray. So the bottom of the watch has a new sensor that can now measure blood oxygen levels. I'll do a test on this later. And here we have some quick start guides and the magnetic USB charger. Apple is promising a faster charge on the Series 6, so we'll be testing this against the Series 4 and 5 in a later video. So let's take a look at the new Graphite Milanese stainless steel band. Graphite is a new color Apple has this year that replaces the space black. It looks really nice. It looks pretty similar to the space black color. Apple says the stainless steel bands are not water resistant, so I wouldn't keep this on while doing a workout. This band has a very premium feel to it and feels very secure when attaching to the watch. This is my first stainless steel band, so I will follow up on the comfort of this band in the full Series 6 review once I get to wear it for a while. It still amazes me how much tech can fit inside such a small enclosure though. So this new watch has the new dual-core S6 chip, and Apple promises up to 20% faster performance. We get the same 18-hour battery life, but on my Series 4 I would normally have it last up to 2 days. Now the Series 6 can charge fully in about 90 minutes. I'm definitely testing those claims in my comparison video. We also get the new U1 chip that was included in the iPhone 11 lineup. This enables short-range wireless communication like the ability to use your watch as a car key, and will work with the leaked AirTag product Apple is rumored to launch next month. The watch also has an always-on altimeter, perfect for anybody who loves to go hiking. Apple claims the Series 6 also has up to 2.5 times brighter always-on display, so I will have to test that in direct sunlight. So let's pair the watch and I'll show you steps to take for transferring the cellular service to the new watch. I have an iPhone 11 Pro that I'll be using. So when setting up a new watch, what's cool is that you can now set up a watch for a family member that doesn't have an iPhone. It just has to be the Series 4 or later with cellular service. I feel like this feature will be great for parents and kids. I'll set this one up for myself though. Pairing a new watch has always been pretty seamless, and what's nice is whenever your phone makes a backup to iCloud every night, it also makes a backup of your watch configuration and settings as well. So the biggest headlining feature for the Series 6 is the new blood oxygen sensor. I'll test this in a minute. This watch will also have a fall detection and emergency SOS feature. The Series 4, 5, and SE will have this as well. If you're setting up or transferring cellular service, you'll see this as an option. I use AT&T as my service provider, so it's going to ask me if I want to replace my watch phone number I had for my Series 4. It'll also ask to enter a 911 address. This is used when you initiate the SOS feature on your watch, and if emergency services can't find you, they'll go to this address you list here. So that's all you really have to do to switch cellular service to the new watch. I actually really like the cellular service feature. If you were to go for a run outside, you can set up an outdoor run workout and just take your AirPods or other Bluetooth headphones with you and stream Apple Music directly to your watch. You don't need to have your phone with you. The syncing part only took about 6 minutes total. I remember this taking very long on my Series 3 and 4. So after this I ran a blood oxygen test, and I probably should have paid attention to the instructions. I ran it first with my arm in the air, and then I got a low reading, and it failed a couple of times, but once I ran it with my arm resting on a desk, then I got a more accurate reading. I am curious to test this more, along with the sleep tracking feature in watchOS 7. So far I'm pretty happy with this watch, and I'm a person who wears my watch literally every single day from when I wake up to when I go to sleep. And I do track any workouts I do, as shown here. The health features like ECG and the new blood oxygen sensor are pretty important to me. I also use my watch to control Apple HomeKit devices all the time. I'm looking forward to seeing how the battery and processor improvement affect my daily usage, but so far the watch feels pretty snappy. So thank you for watching this video. I will be doing a lot more videos on the Series 6, as well as the 4, 5, and 6 comparison video, so please watch out for that one. I will also be doing a lot of videos around the Tesla Model Y as well, so stay tuned. Please hit that subscribe button on your way out, and if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button, it'll really help us out. My name is Carlos with All Electric Tech. Thank you for watching.